Welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest updates across South Sudan and beyond. Today, we bring you stories that affect road, politics, and environment in South Sudan. Stay with us as we cover this important development. Please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Let's start with the Vice President Taban urged patience from road constructor. Our first story comes from the office of the Vice President Taban Dengai, who also lead the government infrastructure cluster, met with representative of the South Sudan Contractors Association on Monday. Contractors are asking for help because the government allegedly owed them $700 million. This money delay has caused major disruption to road construction across the country. Vice President called on them to remain patient as the government reviewed the claim. During the meeting, Vice President assured contractor that his office will work with the Ministry of Road and Bridges, the Minister of Finance, and ARC, the main contractor, to find the best way forward. He promised to engage all relevant institutions to solve the problem. While the exact road project linked to these arrears are not yet clear, these highways are critical for trade, travel, and connecting communities. Delay on these roads affect not only construction companies but also everyday people who rely on this road to transport goods, go to school, or access health care. Here at Changfied, we note that road projects in South Sudan face challenges beyond money. Poor weather, security concern, and lack of equipment often delay work, but unpaid arrears make the situation worse, showing progress on roads that connect South Sudan. Contractors remain hopeful. They ask Vice President Taban for support, emphasizing that timely payment will help them hire workers, buy material, and finish road faster. The Vice President office promised to review all claims carefully before making payment. The next few months will be important for the country infrastructure development. Changfied believe that when the government fulfill these payments, it will not only boost road construction, but also create jobs and improve the life of ordinary South Sudanese. Let's move on to our next top story. Minister Duck challenge youth call for retirement. In politics today, youth groups have been calling for older politicians to retire and make way for younger leaders. However, Minister of Public Service Dagdo Bichok has responded, reminding everyone that politics is different from other jobs. Minister Dak explained that mandatory retirement applies only to civil servants, not politicians. Politicians leave office only if they are defeated in an election, not because they have reached a certain age. This distinction is important. Civil servants follow government rules that set retirement age, but politicians serve as long as they maintain public support. Minister Dak said youth should focus on constructive criticism, not insult. He shared his own experience, noting that he began his public service at age 39 and never demanded his senior retire. Minister Dak appealed to young people to engage with the older generation thoughtfully. Respectful dialogue can help the country grow stronger. Criticism is welcome, but it should aim at improvement, not conflict. Changfied see this as an opportunity. While youth want new leadership working together with experienced politicians, that can strengthen governance and ensure that both experience and fresh ideas shape the future of South Sudan. In our third story, we focus on the Environment Minister of Environment and Forestry, Mabur Gareng, visit the office of the Senior Presidential Envoy on a special program at Salva Kiir on Wednesday, November 19, 2025. The meeting was friendly, respectful, and focused on cooperation. Abdul Salva Kiir Mayardit congratulated Minister Mabur on his new role and promised to work closely with him. Both officials are children of SPLM, SPLA founding fathers, reflecting a shared commitment to national priorities. The main topic discussed were climate resilience, sustainable forestry, and environmental protection. These issues are crucial for South Sudan, a country facing climate challenges like drought, floods, and deforestation. Minister Mabu's leadership is expected to support initiatives that help communities adapt to climate change, protect forests, and maintain clean water sources. Cooperation with the Office of the Special Envoy is a key step in achieving these goals. Changfied believes that the environmental action is not just a government task. Communities, youth, group, and local leaders can all apply roles in protecting South Sudan natural resources for future generations. Today we cover three key stories from South Sudan. Vice President Taban Dengai road constructor to remain patient, and the government review $700 million in unpaid arrears. Second, we talk about Minister Dak urging youth to engage older politicians with constructive criticism rather than demanding retirement. Minister Mabur Gareng working with Envoy Adut Salva to protect the environment and strengthen climate resilient program. These stories show how South Sudan as a country is growing and facing challenges. Roads are being built, political dialogue continues, and environment programs are starting to take shape. These developments affect all of us, and we should stay informed and involved. Thank you for watching Changfied News. Biakamal Gwasame ka Changfied YouTube channel bantin kon lat korodian banaka link kel kajan lermani. Tikon kalere bukon kaling jawni am bana kwen Gwasame bana right comment chalat Taban Dengai kajan report me. Ken konon yam gorno jin bi channel bi support. Channel yang kamanan chalat Taban Dengai re which kajuba ka report dan shino. Bikon manana chalat Gwasame ban jelinkel gorno jin biname bi nywane de kokien. Taban Dengai chenetin kontin let road constructor chega jogono pala rodun fin. Tiga jom chalat Gwasame jom cha gorko office de and first vice president Taban Dengai share jen leda la government infrastructure cluster jen je netin kontila representative ka South Sudan contractor association ka jelat ka jom chalat Gwasame she contractor she ga jogono na pala rodun pin ala contractor panken ngani de kon lat ke chari kan chi kan te jeno gor kan yo ken to shop ke million to kudang bara wala $700 million to gor kan ka Taban Dengai ki ka kwaran kontinte tinte latte pindien kan yurti kan ga kamke kani ta dana kan yu kanangun ke jen duob dana kudile men kula tin chari cha kalon kamalat ke joken vice president Taban Dengai no de ga kam yoken dindo cha ga jogono palarudun pin ki rodeja bukuma bagwitin and mishit kana mani gwaza shiga dol tire wike juba chi vice president Taban Dengai shene de kontila contractor chaga jogono nene bi muktabda no minister of road and bridge bika letkel ke Jim Finance ke Michel ke ARC no ala the main contractor ko bikan do badana de neti de ga yoken de kan ga jiga ja kan bikan kalat ko de char de kalat ko shara pel tel shar melek she vice president ya kula jogo no na pala rodon pin no dundo and do badana kap ke let char shonga je wa kan kala de gwa ko jen lat ke highway ai we mo duop ko de ni ngwandere ka lok chit ke jinya gat ka ki jal ki ni kontin jel no re community ka tin work stay ni no ken di alti mi cha ka lat by the way de kana de ken ka lok chicken de long ne tin kontin la jela la ne kon lat ke char ko rodin ki torbiel lok ken ga men ji dul gora ne kon dul gor ka lok ne kon tin dul wal bo mi te gre ji to dong de torbiel la chama la shuba ka pet ken di alti ka te gor ken o de la de me de ji tu ga ala road transport but ken kula do ne tela do mi mo ba char ba galat ke je me kan ka kon kam yo ken chir ma ngai konen wo lad no ba yo ba ka tup ka kwi lat e mas ko di ne ti chicken bele lora bang cha Taban de ngai ku jogo no ne go ne no bi ne support bi ne kam yo ka tin go ne ka 700 million US dollar to go ken ka ne kontin la contractory cha jo me cha je la de ken an ban je gor me na gwa dan bo tok tin chir me dan ngai konen Nating one ngay kenen gwan wo take a yote char release by the way ti ba char ba galat ke je char dan en to ka malus ke ka palosh be ka my wood be ka pagak we ne rerul Gambela ke Ethiopia me de woni ke di Djibouti me chala do jen ba je to kor gwaten be very soon ka ta dan chalat ke je wa cha yo cha ka release already ko chi kum South Sudan ken kume mente ke Ethiopia chikrai ko ba ne me ba je la let ka do ba dan de na de ka let kel chira me ngai kono no duop beje long shit ken tam mentama la kum South Sudan gor kano en liedi ende janan kare which ka Djibouti but tell away tell dup ko di ti dial chaka gek non na kor jatin ka Sudan so tell do mi mo de liet de janan let ke je so jo me kana la no no kalar de na bana lingwa se me minister dak no she ngwane chaka challenge ki chaka jogo no ne la ngwane ken gor keno de na ne ko ne di de kan ne ko tin la ngwane kan kala bany which de kale la ruich ke kwi siasa ke ki politika dan to minister of public service dak do bichok no charwach no te ga jom chalat kwasa me ke kwi retirement ka aro mishara me di dara politik dara japal dara wonyu dore che kula no minister dak chela do ne jene manden to retirement gwa dan dara and dara ro wikeje you know enemy chaji kulo joj ke national election lo me chaji kulo joj no jen bi politik bi ko pele mo goro ku japal but teram de japal a chang ci dongba mo kana kon joy ke election cha jawo ke jo mo che jalat a jen cha de wo che politician ka cha politician ba cha de wo ne de koken unless cha defeat ka election jen gwa dan dong de rande ku le retire ka je so mi chiran che dong che de gwan wo de rande ja kap de jo wo gwa la de che jo mo che jalat dagdop bichok a jen chi chegwano de ne kon la dongre yika South Sudan de ka jogo no nyor shenu kun en wane kale la office kale la gwal ka ne she janta da na let ka ja a jeni politician la wiya joy ka ne je ka election ka ta da na chelat ka jeno no mi de gwa ko de calling chela do ne na a jeni civil servant bikan ruli nyin kume bikan ga dil gor ka kwi retirement age runtin kondera de je jogo no wer shendu no ko te ka sarta ne ci dong de jin nang ching du mi ci jina duang no dong ci jal ci lon ke ci ro ci lon de re wonu do ka do dan lat ke je but minister dak ci la do ne ala use de ga dil focus ko do bodien bekan woj bekan ger ka jama de no bekan ko nan edit ke bekan edit bekan ka enzol ke bekan ka decide ke bekan ka polen wo kan ci ka la ci kan lon ci rajen wo ne a jeni me danan tuoga lat attack runi jandang jogi bangwan no ka kana malar no de rami mo medini jan ka dar ben pinwi kwam ko ngwana ko gele jogo no yen chak naten kona dit office ni chak de jogo no bia pin minister daka janete runi jandang jogi bangwan me to ko office no ki me to ga lat but kana jamalaro diten content nyam de ka retire ke de ka wuch ka ta da na guye jaja jane tel ram de wuch e ko jine shi certainly ke chi run ko shi ka bal jane tel ram de wuch no mu waji wuch baji wuch ke election cha je bu jara ne ko chi dong no cha jo mo cha jalat minister dak she appeal kan de kon la ngwenin wo yen to gorje no biya generation ke whole generation biya kala de jek biya ka chenga jek a jene gorje no biya roi ke ka do me gwa mu gorje no buka nyu dor ken raje ke mi biya roi biya je long cha jomo cha jala no ka do da ngai kone ja minister dak jen ramdi trai kuma ka South Sudan let long so lede long ka do da de na nyam ka je cha jomo cha jala no mi baran ba je wire kuma ka ko cha dong gore let charan chaje bui ko chaje kwit charan chaje bui ko jen e chaje lat jor che jo mo che jalat bana we ka lehra do dien mede ko na lingwas mene jo ban lingwas me bana roache ka kwi ma biur garang de ma biur ken nyam shal ke me adu sel be ke me yadich shi ke jegre we ke juban ling na jakel Leran jokka kon gwazme bala dung Minister of Environment and Forestry ma biur garang ajaram dala kwera pa kwanche de ngai kone jen che we ka muktab dung Senior Presidential Envoy on a special program adrisal peke yadit ke changa dioka jok mi mo changa wel bangwan ka pain wel kelian ron kindang ro jandang ro de dich chala do jen che we ka chike jik min jikan lat gwasme wa chike jik do bdan de let kel ke je she adut self became yadit she minister mabiur che congratulate ke jen is new role pai kame ke la de jidide pai kame ka she ro yaje no jene bi ke let kel kane mabiur en adut self became yadit ngai kona ken wude me kane jen nyame no kan dangaro ka gat especially mabiur agat John Grenda mabiur adut agat nyasel became yadit so chaka kamni al gwasmo ko gor jeno bikan South Sudan bikan rajen do dan lat ga kwerkeje batembi akula ngai ke kwiudo mishal ga mabiur jena rami mo michi ko na kwer but che resign che rodo watch ne to ngwan nger ken lungo no ngumi shama biur chaje nyoko mum mai ke je position ka tamedan wo jeno rode re kuma ka cho rodo watch no ka chwe jen cho le wala ne nying tomatoes ni and winimi but ka kor me che bere which ka juba cho ama biur chaje be kwan antama ala Minister of Environment and Forestry again position dana te tene tama gai ne dial te ne to bang lor bang te kan mo ke position ni but chi me dan chi kona ngach awa gat kwart dit panken awa kwa ka kam ne ala tama kap ka kenyal again menen yana mo Minister mabiur again mo kwan ga jen tama la Minister ka Environment ko chago jeno bo gwadan be jelwang nyam chal ka adu sel ke ma yadi de te ko jen point ba la Vice President ka gwasen be so ngoda ti dial ka tin ga jeno dong be kan kam ro be kan ga jection ma ngai kona no ti diar wi ka South Sudan do dan lar ke je special right now ka tam to continent am tane ngaje gwan wodi ku me gera roda do dan gera roda je jene kir she gorno be retire lora ba gorjeno bi nyade kie gade belle wogo wi ko am dan tetin amena kwaren ko kien ngai kona she self kem yadi karwara she nyare yela ka koma kie gad John Grenda mabiur tenere ko kien chagala chit ka wani ga chit ka nere ko kien tin bom you know re kuma ka tingaje no chi ka struggle ko gwade dan cha mu ka position di ti long re kuma ka lugi ken wodi bikan kuma bikan rwaje ken shana rachka lerje che kon rake kwi Vice President Taban de ngai jogana den wo pala rudun pinere kon lat ke chare kanere ti gor kan yo ken shop ka 700 million US dollar shi kon joren tana nyo leng was me ka kwi Minister Dak che la ro ne ne mugor yeno biya ko wo yen ngane raje kane ka do magwa chwa ko ne ke chwa lan ne jor no ke chwa ne jogo no shi adongo wo jero do no kwa retire che we politician shi ken retire cha wo ken ke la ran ya wo ke lo che we ke election la kwa ken ji mi cha ilo ne ko den binyu but ke ta men ta me jende ro ne na den o dong ba pal ken ne the audience channel right ke Minister mabiur garang de mabiur la gat John Garang mabiur ken nyase be ke me yadit mala kwera la special invite jen shike jek jen changa jok chere men chaling waseme ka gat kwart dit cha mo ko position dit bo chere mangai kona ti dialti ken kon sharian lat no mi jira mi dit gwaseme ka Changfied YouTube channel gorno jin be subscribe ka bi notification ba bi jetwan ko mi tem ci berej be shamala shi bugaji an biya ta kamal ban je ka lerdin bye bye